Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Jodoo Masterclass series. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful feature that will make managing your data a breeze: detail tables. So, what exactly is a detail table? A detail table is a structured way to present and manage your data in a table format. It's perfect for displaying detailed information like forms, aggregated data, or even data from a data factory. The best part? You can set permissions to control who can view, edit, or delete specific data entries. Detail tables help you keep track of large amounts of data, making it easier for your team to access the right information when they need it. Let's jump in and see how to set up your detail table. First, you'll want to create a form to hold your data. Let's say we're making a student score form. Once your form is ready, go ahead and input the data. Remember, only the data you enter here will be visible on your dashboard. So, make sure everything is up to date. Next, you'll need to create a new dashboard. Name it whatever you like. Select Detail Table as the component. Choose the form you just created as the data source. That's all you need to get started with displaying your data. Now comes the part where you can control who sees what. You'll have a couple of options here. You can give members full access to all the data, meaning all the data and fields can be viewed by members when they are accessing the chart. Alternatively, you can choose same permissions as source form, meaning only permitted data and fields can be viewed by members based on their permission sets over data source forms. This helps keep things organized and ensures everyone only sees what they need to. Then you can add calculated fields based on the scores for different subjects. Just a heads up, calculated fields only work with numerical data and support basic math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Once that's done, you'll want to think about which fields you actually want to display in the table. Click the plus. You can choose to add all fields at once, or you can pick and choose specific fields. If you like, you can also drag fields around to adjust their order, so you can really customize the table to your needs. If you only want to show specific data, like filtering by certain criteria, you can set filter conditions. This helps narrow down the data so you're only showing what's relevant to the viewer. After you've got your table set up with the right data and permissions, it's time to make it even more powerful with a few extra features. For example, you can allow users to export or print the data from the table. If you want members to work with individual records, you can enable permissions that let them manage those records based on what they're allowed to do. You can also tweak the way the data looks. For instance, you can add row numbers to make it easier to track the rows, or you can choose to display only the top N records, like the top 3 students based on scores. This feature is great if you're sorting the data by something like total score and want to highlight the highest performers. If you're working with a large dataset, you might want to freeze certain columns. This feature locks specific columns in place, so even when you scroll horizontally through the table, key information will always stay visible. You can choose to freeze the first N columns, whether on a PC or mobile device. You can also control how the table behaves while scrolling. You have 3 modes to choose from: no scroll, data scroll, or page scroll, depending on how you want the data to be displayed. To make things visually clearer, you can use conditional formatting. This allows you to set colors for both the background and the values in the table. In the form, you could use different colors for different score marks. Set the data range you want to highlight and customize the text and background style. You can also use gradient or data bar styles to represent data visually. This way, you can enhance the table's visual appeal and make important data points stand out more clearly. Finally, you can fully customize both the general style and table style. Adjust the background color or even add a background image. And choose the title colors that suit your design. You can also adjust the theme colors, the header text, and content colors. Additionally, you have control over text alignment, whether it's default, left, or center. And that's it. You now know how to set up, configure, and customize a detail table in Jodoo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future tutorials. Let us know in the comments what features you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next episode.